Hello children, today we are going to start new topic, that is economic activities by man and woman. Economic activities by man and woman. Okay children, so in the previous topics we see that Vilas and Sakal, like Vilas and Sakal, people have been engaged in different types of activities. Vilas used to sold fish and Sakal got a job in the farm. Okay children, now the various activities have been classified into three sectors, that is primary sector activities, secondary sector, and the last is tertiary sector. Okay children, so these are the three types of activities: primary sector activities, secondary sector activities, and tertiary sector activities. Now children, what are primary sector activities? Okay children, in primary sector, primary sector includes agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry farming, mining, etc. So these are the different activities which are included in primary sector activities, which are the agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, lumbering, fishing, poultry farming, mining, etc. The second type of activity is secondary sector activities. Okay, in this sector, manufacturing, and construction. These are the two important activities of secondary sector: manufacturing and construction activities. The third sector activity, that is tertiary sector. It includes all the service class sectors. Okay children, in tertiary sector, trade, transport, communication, banking, insurance, education, health, tourism, services, etc. All the service class are included in tertiary sector. Now children, the activities in the tertiary sector result in the production of goods and services. Tertiary sector, the activities of these groups, they are result in the production of goods and services. Okay children, production of goods and services. These activities add value. Tertiary sector activities, these add values to the national income, to the national income. These are also called economic activities. Tertiary sector activities, they are also known as economic activities. Okay. Now economic activities are again classified into two types of activities: market activities. Number one is market, and other is non-market. Activities. Okay children, so economic activities are classified into two: market activities and non-market activities. Now market activities are those activities which include the production of goods or services, including government services. Okay children, production of goods or services including government services. These activities are performed for profit or for pay. Example, a teacher is teaching in a school and a man working in bank are the example of economic or market activities. In simple words, activities which are performed to earn money are called economic activities. Okay children, so what are the three important characteristics of economic activities? They are performed for profit or pay. Profit, they are performed for profit or payment or pay. Take service class people, teacher, doctor, engineers, police department, all these are example of market activities. Non-market activities, these activities do not add value to the national income. These activities do not add to the national income. These activities are performed for production to self-consumption. Example, subsistence farming and processing of primary products. Or in other words, activities which has not been performed to earn money are called non-economic activities. They are performed for self-consumption. Okay children, so this is all for today's class. Economic activities by men and women. There are three types of activities: primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary sector activities includes agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry farming, mining, lumbering, etc. Secondary sector, manufacturing and construction. These are the two important activities of secondary sector. Tertiary sector includes trade, transport, communication, banking, education, health, tourism, services, etc. Okay. Now economic activities are again classified into two: market activities or non-market activities. Okay children, market activities involve remuneration to anyone who perform, that is, activity performed for pay or profit. Take these includes production of goods and services. Okay. Non-market activities are the production for self-consumption. Take, this is non-market activities. For example, a teacher is teaching in the school, but there he is getting salary, but when he teach his own children, he is not getting anything. That is non-market activity. Example of non-market activity. Okay, in the next topic we will discuss division of labor between man and woman. Okay.